Hi there. I'm Veer Verma, the founding partner of Coach Direct, a sports and wellness company. I'm personally a business and wellness coach. I'm an MBA and an NLP master practitioner, and I come with a number of years of experience in the investment banking industry as a change manager, managing large programs of global change. And I also been involved with a number of coaching practices for sports, wellness, holistic wellness, and so on, and running my own company with a number of employees. So I bring all of these experiences together in this 2 day workshop that I'm presenting on business goal setting. I'm really excited to be presenting this workshop to you. So, in this workshop, I will be talking about various tools and techniques to set your goals, the business goals that you need to achieve in 2021. I'll talk about the various action plans that you can devise to be able to achieve those goals. And we'll also learn how to divide those action plans into actual tasks that you can monitor on a regular basis. In addition, I'll also be teaching you a number of powerful visualization techniques that are based out of NLP. I'll also be teaching you various goals and objective frameworks such as your balance scorecard, your KPIs, your OKRs. So there's tons of information that I really want to share. So I'm really looking forward to see you in my presentation and wishing you the very best in this new year. See you there.